Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will discuss change of tenses in direct and indirect speech. One basic formula is move one step back in the tense of direct sentence. Whatever tense is in the direct sentence, we will move just one step back. For example, if there is a simple present tense in direct sentences, one step back will be simple past tense. Similarly, present continuous will change into past continuous in indirect speech. Present perfect of the direct sentence will change into past perfect tense. Present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous tense. Simple past will change into past perfect. Past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Past perfect and past perfect continuous will not change in indirect speech. Will change into would, can into could, and may into might. These are the changes we will do in indirect speech. Now we will discuss change in time and place expressions. When we change the direct sentence into indirect one, this place will change into that place, this will change into that, these will change into those, here will change into there in indirect speech. Now in of the direct sentence will change into then in indirect speech. Today will change into that day, tomorrow into the next day, yesterday the previous day, tonight into that night. Tonight will change into that night. Now look for few examples. Direct speech, there is a first sentence in direct speech, that is she said I do not like this dress. She said is a reporting speech and I do not like this dress is a reported speech. We will join reporting speech and reported speech with that when we change it into indirect sentence. We can it is optional and it is not necessary we put that. We can join these two sentences without that also, but just by omitting the commas. Now we will do some changes in it. First we will go for the pronoun change in the reported speech. In the reported speech, I is the pronoun. We will change I according to the subject of the reporting speech. If the subject is she, so in the reporting speech, so we will change it according to she and we will change I into she. Now this dress will become that dress in indirect speech, and now we will look for the tense change. In the tense, in the direct sentence, there is I do not. Do not is a simple present tense, so we will change into, we will move one step back and we will change it into past indefinite or simple past tense. So it will become did not like. So the indirect speech of this sentence is she said that she did not like that dress. Now look for the second sentence. He said my father has bought books for me. Now in this sentence, my and me are the pronouns. My is the possessive pronoun of I and me is the objective pronoun of I. So they will change according to the subject of the reporting speech, that is he. So my will become his and me will change into him. Now the tense is present perfect. It will change into past perfect, that it will become had bought. So the indirect sentence will be he said his father had bought books for him. Now observe that we have not used that here, so it's optional. It's up to you whether you use between the reporting and the reported speech or not. Now look at the third sentence. She said I did not go to school yesterday. So first we will change the pronoun. I will change according to the she, so it will become she. Did not will into past perfect. And yesterday will change into the previous day. So she said that she had not gone to school the previous day. So simple past of the direct speech has changed into past perfect. Thank you. Kindly subscribe my channel.